Hello children, welcome to our AdQuack YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you enjoyed your holidays a lot and now you are ready to learn something new. So, from this lecture we are going to start our second term syllabus. Okay, so let's see. This lecture is for class 5. Subject English Grammar, Chapter 9 Pronouns, and it is first part of the chapter. And we are following the book P.C. Wren's Grammar, and it is our lecture number 1 for this chapter. So let's start the chapter. Okay, children, I hope that all of you have studied pronouns in your previous classes. Okay, in this chapter, in today's lecture, we are going to study same. Okay, we are going to study pronouns. So first of all, in pronouns, we will see the definition. Okay, in definition, so, definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Okay? Pronoun is a word. Pronoun वो word होता है जिसे हम noun की place पर use करते हैं. So, a pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Okay? जो वर्ड नाउन की प्लेस पर यूज किया जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड अ प्रोनाउन. इन हिंदी वी कॉल इट सर्वनाम. लेट्स सी एग्जाम्पल. रिया इज अ गुड स्टूडेंट. शी लाइक्स टू रीड. हियर शी इज यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ रिया. ओके, हियर वी हैव रिप्लेस्ड रिया विथ शी. Okay, so what is pronoun here? She is the pronoun which we have used for Riya. Okay, now first exercise we have to do. Exercise 1. This is given in your book. Okay, so let's see. Change some of the nouns into pronouns in the following. Okay, आपको कुछ nouns को pronouns में change करना है. The girl sang sweetly. The people listened to the girl. The people liked the girl. The girl sang sweetly. First sentence will remain same. The people listened to her. Okay? In second, the people will remain same. The people listened to the girl. We have changed the girl with her. Okay, people listen to her. The people liked the girl. Okay, now we will change the people with they. They liked her, and we will change girl with her. Okay, so what will be the new sentence? The girl sang sweetly. The people listened to her. They liked her. Second sentence. The soldiers are wounded. These soldiers must go to hospital. Okay, what we will change here? We will change these soldiers. The soldiers are wounded. They must go to hospital. We have used they in place of these soldiers. Third sentence. The boy saw a mango on the tree. The boy plucked the mango. Now see, the boy saw a mango on the tree. He plucked it. Okay, we have changed the boy with he. Okay, boy. For boy we will use he. And for mango we will use it because mango is a non-living thing. Okay. Ghazal saw Atul. Ghazal called out Atul. Atul answered Ghazal. Ghazal and Atul went along together. Okay, let's see how we will make it. Ghazal saw Atul. First sentence will remain same. Second, in Ghazal. Now Ghazal is name of a girl, so we will use she. She called out. Now for Atul we will use him. She called out him. Atul answered Ghazal. Now for Atul, Atul is name of a boy, we will use he. He answered. For Ghazal we will use her. He answered her. Ghazal and Atul. Now for both of them we will use they. They went along together. Okay, so what will be the new sentence? Ghazal saw Atul. She called out him. He answered her. They went along together. Okay, do this in your book with pencil. Okay children, now types of pronouns. Children, there are many types of pronouns. Okay, look, pronouns, personal pronouns, possessive pronouns and demonstrative pronouns. But this here in this chapter we will study only one type of pronoun, that is personal pronoun. Okay children, we will study only personal pronoun in this chapter. Then these rest of the pronouns we will study in next lecture. Okay, now personal pronouns. Personal pronouns, as the name tells, it is used for persons. Okay, and now let's see the definition. Personal pronouns. Pronouns which are used in place of names of person, animals and things are called personal pronouns. Okay, so pronouns which are used in place of names of person, व्यक्तियों के लिए, for animals and for things. Okay, these are called personal pronouns. Now let's see examples. The book is lying on the table. Pick it up. Okay, here it is used in place of a book. It is a personal pronoun. Okay, for persons we will use he, she, they, them. Okay, and for animals we will use they, it. For things we will use these, those, it, they. Okay, these are the pronouns which we will use. Now, see, in personal pronoun there are three types of pronouns. Okay, there are three forms of personal pronouns. There are three types of personal pronouns. Let's see. First person. When we talk about ourselves, our opinions and the things that happen to us, we generally speak in the first person. Okay, first person is always the speaker. Okay, like if I am talking, like मैं बात कर रही हूँ, तो first person कौन है? मैं. Okay, first person is always the speaker. Second person. The second person point of view belongs to the person being addressed. This is the you perspective. Okay, second person is the person about whom I am talking. ठीक है, जिससे बात की जा रही है, like you. Okay, it is the you perspective. Now, third person. Third person point of view belongs to the person being talked about. Okay, third person जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. Like, third person include he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Okay, it includes these words. Okay children, now here is a table given for you. Let me explain you the table. Personal pronouns. Okay, in personal pronouns we will study person like first person, second person, third person. Okay, now here these are singular and these are plural. So here first person singular pronoun is I. Okay, first person singular pronoun is I. And when we talk about object, okay, it is me. First person plural pronoun is we. And when we talk about object, it is us. Okay, it is we. First person plural is we. Second person singular pronoun is you. When we talk about object, it is you. Subject in plural, it is you. Okay, like suppose if I am talking to one boy, I will speak, you come here. Okay, if two boys are going and I want to call them, then what will I say? Both of you come here. So you will remain same for both the cases, for singular as well as it is for plural. Third person, he, she, it. Okay, he, she, it. For object, he will become him, she will become her, it will remain it. Okay, now plural, it is they, and when we will talk about object, it will become them. Okay, so first person singular pronoun is I, first person plural pronoun is we, second person singular pronoun is you, second person plural pronoun is you, third person singular pronoun is he, she, it. Okay, and plural is they. Okay. Now children, we have to do exercise 2. You have to do in your book in the form of fill up. Okay, all of you have to do it in your book using the pencil. Filling the blank with I or me. Okay, you have to fill the whole exercise using I or me. या तो I या मैं या मुझे. Okay. Did you ask Abdul or dash? Here we will fill me. What will we fill? We will fill here me. Did you ask Abdul or me? तुमने अब्दुल से या मुझसे पूछा. Shorab and dash went to the station. Shorab and I, okay, went to the station. Shorab और मैं स्टेशन गए. Will you let Hari and dash go to the cinema? Okay, what will come here? Here it will come me. Here in this blank will come me. Will you let Hari and me go to the cinema? Who is stronger, you or I? कौन stronger है, तुम या मैं? Okay, here it will I. So in first fill up, A fill up it will come me. In second fill up it will come I. In third fill up it will come me. In fourth fill up it will come I. E. I bought this bicycle for me, not for you. ये बाइसिकल मैंने मेरे लिए खरीदी है, तुम्हारे लिए नहीं. Sit here between Rama and me. Okay, sit here between Rama and me. मेरे और रामा के बीच में बैठो. What will we fill here? Me. My sister and I had a nice dinner. My sister and I had a nice dinner. Okay, what is the answer? I. Between you and me, it is not true. Okay, between you and me, it is not true. What will we fill here? Me. So answer for E will be me, F part me, G part I, H part me. Okay, is it clear? Fill with me. Okay, as I am telling you, side by side all of you have to fill this. Okay, now exercise 3. All of you have to do it in your book using pencil. Okay, filling the blank with we or us. In previous we filled with I or me. In this we will fill it we or us. They have done better than dash have. Okay, what will come here? We. They have done better than we have. Okay, what will come here? We will come here. The teacher punished dash more than the other boys. What will come here? Us. The teacher punished us more than other boys. They are richer than dash are. Okay. They are richer than we are. Okay. अगर ये आर पीछे नहीं होता तो हम क्या भरते चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ पे अस भरते. दे आर रिचर देन अस, वो हमसे अमीर हैं. बट हियर इट इज रिटन आर. ओके, सो व्हाट विल कम हियर? वी विल कम हियर. दे आर रिचर देन वी आर. मदर गेव डैश मोर मैंगोज देन शी गेव टू हरी एंड श्रेया. व्हाट विल कम हियर? Us will come here. Mother gave us more mangoes than she gave to Hari and Shreya. Is it clear? So A answer is we, B answer is us, C answer is we, D answer is us. Now children, as you all know, at the end of every lecture I give you homework. Okay. So in this lecture also I am going to give you homework. It is very easy. All of you can do it yourself. Okay. So let's see. I am giving you today exercise 4. It is given in your book and all of you have to do this exercise using pencil. And it is really very easy. Filling the blank with personal pronouns. Choose from the brackets. Okay. In each pronoun, each question you are given true pronouns, two pronouns, and you have to select one. Okay, and you have to fill this one in the given blank. So let's see. Where is Simran? I want to see dash. Her, she. Okay, now you have to choose one answer from both of these. Next, they sent for you and dash. They sent for you and dash. Her or she. Okay. C. Call Sam. I must speak to dash. He or him. What will come here? He or him. दोनों में से एक यहाँ आएगा, आपको चूज करना है. Tell dash to go away. Okay. Them, they. What will come here? From both of these you have to fill here one. We want you and dash to go. Okay, we want you and dash to go. One you have to select from she or her. How do you know dash are Italians? Okay, how do you know dash are Italians? Okay, from they and them you have to choose one and fill here. Okay children, now I know all of you can do it very easily. Do it in your book using pencil. Okay, now I would like to request all of you to subscribe our @Quack YouTube channel, like our videos, tell your friends and relatives about our channel and tell them to like and share our videos. Okay children, have a safe and nice day. Okay, take care of yourself.